Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe.
Today we are trying on the HAAN mixed media travel jacket. Now there are many different models of this raincoat, but essentially it is a raincoat that comes with an additional pouch in which you can actually pack the raincoat. We picked up this particular model at the outlet store where they still had two colorways, the black as well as a light gray. The light gray is actually the one that's shown in our thumbnail, and the black is what you're seeing here that has a dark eggplant piping inside. Overall, this is a very well-engineered raincoat. It has strategic pockets on either side, both top-down pockets with a snap, as well as side entry pockets that open right behind. This model includes a waist cincher to give some definition, and of course, we will take a look at the little pouch that comes attached to the end of one of the arms. This pouch is a really great addition because first of all, you could use it to roll the raincoat up and fit inside the pouch. If you're traveling, you can then use that as a pillow, or if you need an extra pouch somewhere, you can use it for other essentials. We'll also take a look at another feature that this jacket has, which is its packable hood. While the hood is not detachable, it is very sleek and it does not add a lot of weight, so it's great to have that option, easily hideable, but still there for when you need it. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at how this looks once it is packed into the pouch. Of course, it is quite tight, which makes it for a really great pillow if that's what you need it for. You do need to carefully fold it and make sure that it fits in, or you're really going to shove it in there. Perhaps the pouch material relaxes over time, but I found that it was quite snug when I tried to zip it for the first time. All right, let's go ahead and try this on. First, we are unpacking it from so right off the bat, I think in this lighting you can see exactly how lightweight this jacket really is. But while it's thin, it also feels very protective and it feels like it breaks the wind very well. Also from this angle, you can see the beautiful maroon lining and how the jacket, while it is quite simple in design, actually does have a lot of shape to it. Especially with the waist cinchers, I think it adds a lot of flexibility with how you want to wear the coat. Now, I've seen these extra long tassels tied up in certain ways on various retailer sites. I like to let them hang down, and when I do cinch, I like to make sure that it gathers in the back. I think it helps to create a really nice defined silhouette. Now, of course, we do have the hood exposed here, but remember you can pack it up and roll it back into the collar. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you got any value from this video, please be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.